Now I'll tell you how will you produce sound of different frequencies in membranes instrument. Okay, it is a drum, you can see. Okay, in the drum you can see this is the membrane and these are the strings. By using the strings we can change tension of the membrane. That means we can make it tight or we can make it loose. Okay, by changing the tension we can change its frequency. If we increase tension, then frequency will become more. Clear? And one more thing, remember, if area of the vibrating membrane is more, area of vibrating membrane is more, then frequency will be less. Here in tabla, okay, two different sizes are used. This is bigger one and this is the bigger membrane. This one is of smaller membrane. Clear? This one produces sound of low frequency and this one produces sound of high frequency. So we can tell if area of the vibrating membrane is more, frequency of sound will be less. If area of vibrating membrane is less, frequency will be high. That is high pitch sound. One more thing, this membrane it may be tightened or loosened by using the strings. Clear? The next one is monotone. Mono means single. Okay, single frequency. Clear? Tuning fork is the only instrument which produces sound of single frequency. It is made up of metal. It has two arms. The arms are known as prongs and this handle is also known as stem. Clear? And generally we get tuning fork of different frequencies. Generally they are produced of frequencies 256 per second, 320 per second, 384 per second, 480 per second and another one 512 per second. Okay, and what is the frequency of the tuning fork? At its stem it is written. Okay, if here 256 per second is written, means its frequency is 256 per second. Now one more thing, per second or hertz. Unit of frequency is per second or hertz. HERTZ, short form capital H small z. Okay, 256 per second means this tuning fork produces 256, it completes 256 vibrations in 1 second. If in a tuning fork it is written 320 per second, it means it produces 320 vibrations per second. Clear? So a particular tuning fork always produces single frequency. Clear? If in its body it is written that 256 per hertz, means always it will produce sound of frequency 256 hertz. Now what is the shape of monotone? Okay, waveform, shape of waveform of a monotone. Time, I am taking displacement. Monotone means it will be simple one. Like this. Is it clear? Now I will tell about quality. What do you mean by quality of sound? Now I'll tell you about quality of a sound. What do you mean by quality of a sound? Quality is that characteristic of sound by which two sounds of same frequency and same loudness but coming from two different sources can be distinguished. Okay, that characteristic is known as quality. Because of quality, suppose your two friends are playing the same song. One of your friend is playing the song, suppose Sare Jahan Se Acha, in guitar and your another friend is playing the same song in violin. Okay, just by hearing the sound you can tell which one is coming from violin and which one is coming from the sitar. Okay, so the characteristic by which we can distinguish them, that characteristic is known as quality. Actually, quality depends upon shape of the wave, that is waveform. Okay, look here, look at the shape of the wave. This is the wave produced by tuning fork. Tuning fork. Here only one type of frequency is there. But look here, this is the sound produced by, suppose it is produced by piano. Look at the shape of the wave, it is completely different from this. Clear? Look here, amplitude, amplitude, it is same. So loudness of both the waves are same. And look at this gap. Gap is same. Half wave, gap is same. So frequency same, loudness same, but look at the shape of the wave, it is different. So their quality is different. Actually, quality depends upon number of frequencies present in a particular tune. Clear? While you are playing a particular note in a piano, okay, it consists of large number of particular tune. While you are playing a particular tune in a piano, it contains large number of notes. Notes means large number of frequencies. Suppose for a particular tune, the lowest frequency is 100 Hz. Along with 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500 Hz. All these 5 types of waves are there. Okay. Whereas the same tune while you are playing in a flute, it contains suppose 100, 300 and 500 Hz. These 3 types of frequencies are there. Okay. Because of presence of different types of frequencies, the shape of the wave changes. Clear? Tuning fork produces monotone, means only one frequency is there. But any other tunes produced by any other musical instruments, they contain, any tune contains number of frequencies. Because of presence of number of frequencies, the total shape becomes like this. Okay. For piano it is this one. For violin it will be completely different. The shape of the wave will be completely different for violin. The shape of the wave will be completely different in case of flute.